Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to transform this cute sweater that I got only for ₹200 on FC Road. It was a bit big for me, but it was in a really great condition, the color was pretty and it was of the brand Zara. So I had to buy it. Like any other sane girl, I went on Pinterest to find some inspiration. And let me tell you, I found some really cute inspiration photos that I wanted to recreate. But I wanted a basic version of what I found. So these are the pictures that I found, and let's see what I have in my mind. So I wanted to take this bodice part and create a cute mini skirt out of it. And for the top, I used these sleeves because it had a really pretty hem. This is the sketch that I came up with, and let's just get started. So first of all, I seam ripped both the sleeves, front and back bodice apart. I tried seam ripping, but then I actually ended up cutting the parts apart. For lining, I used this 4-way stretch fabric, and it was in black color, so it peeked through the texture of the top, I guess, but yeah, it looked really very pretty. To make the skirt, I first placed the front and back bodice pieces on top of each other. I marked the center and then measured the skirt's side seams like so, and then pinned it together. So basically I made the neckline my new waistline, and you'll just see what I mean by that. After stitching the side seams of the lining fabric as well as the main fabric, I folded over the waistline inside 1.5 inch for the waistband by keeping 1.5 inch allowance to insert the elastic waistband. First I pinned the entire circumference, then I stitched it, and this is how it's looking. I also hemmed the hem by folding 1 inch inside and then just stitching with a straight stitch. Now let's make the top. To make the top, this is the part of the sleeve that I cut, and this is how I draped it on my top. I marked the neckline, the princess seams as well as the hem and the center front and center back. And this is the marking on the fabric when you place it down. I'm going to cut this part on both the sleeves, stitch it, and then close the darts. This is going to be the center front. Don't forget to back stitch. I used a flat felt seam for this because I didn't want the seams to unravel. This is the left part and this is the right part. I'm going to stitch on the center front, close the center back. You can also lace up the center back, but I am choosing to close it with a straight stitch because the fabric is really very stretchy. Now it's time to make the lining for the top. I'm going to cut the black fabric once again and then just stitch on the hemline as well as on the neckline and connect these two pieces. I'm also going to add a waistband to the top because the length of the top was very short. To make the fit of the top more snug, I have attached a half an inch elastic waistband all over the waist of the top. To make the strap, I folded over a rectangle piece, made a tube out of it, and even though the straps are a bit wobbly, it came out pretty nice. This is how the cord set is coming out, but it is missing something, and yeah, it is missing pearls. This is how it turned out. Oh my god, after styling, I cannot believe that I made this. It is looking so pretty, and I got a lot of compliments after wearing this. So yeah, if you try this out, then please make sure to click some pictures, and if you post it on Instagram, then please tag me, hashtag holy sharayu. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye.